Hello students, today I am going to discuss about rational number. In previous class you have already studied about natural number, whole number. In class 8 maths chapter 1 NCERT book, rational number. First I am going to tell you what is rational number. A number which can be written in the form of P by Q is called rational number. A number which can be written in the form of P by Q is called rational number, where Q should not be 0. P is the numerator, Q is the denominator. A number which can be written in the form of P by Q is called rational number, where Q should not be 0. Means P by Q is rational number, condition is Q should not be 0. Okay. Now we can represent this rational number on number line. Now I am going to represent rational number on number line. Representing 7 by 4 on number line. This is positive one. 7 by 4 is a positive. So 7 by 4 will come just right on the 0. Right on the 0. Here 7 is there. 7 is there means 7 1 by 4. We make 7 parts. 7 parts and distance of each part is 1 by 4. Distance of each part is 1 by 4. To present 7 by 4, make 7 parts. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. Because we have to present 7, it is positive one. So I am taking all the numbers on the right of the 0. And each distance is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So this one is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. So this one is 7 by 4. This one. 7 by 4. So number line we can give name A. From here to here is a part of the 7 by 4. Now this is positive one. We can also represent negative rational number on the number line. Now I am going to take negative number. Dear children, positive integer can be represented on the right side of the 0. This one is negative integer. So we can show it on number line. Minus 5 by 6. Consider OA equal to 1 unit. OA equal to 1 unit. And why I am taking this one on the left? Because it's negative. You know very well, all the positive numbers are situated on the right of the 0 and negative numbers are situated on the left of the 0. So here negative 5 is given. So this one is negative 1 by 6, negative 2 by 6, negative 3 by 6, negative 4 by 6, negative 5 by 6, negative 6 by 6. This is OA is 1 unit. All distance between all this number is 1 by 6. Here 1 by 6 different, here 1 by 6, because minus 5 by 6 means minus 5 into 1 by 6. So distance will be 1 by 6. Here 1 by 6 distance, 1 by 6 distance, 1 by 6 distance. So OA is 1 unit. Now you have to show minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6 just come from 0. Minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6. So give name B. B is minus 5 by 6. Minus is given here. So we have to show this number on the left of the 0. Clear? And we can represent any rational number on the number line according to their sign. If rational number is positive, then show it on the right of the 0. If rational numbers are negative, then show number on the left of the 0. Okay? Now we have to find rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Okay? Suppose here 1 by 5. First method is make the fraction equivalent. Method number 1. We have to make the fraction equivalent. Equivalent fraction, yeah. Suppose here 5 is denominator and here denominator is 3. Both are unlike fraction. Convert into like fraction. Take 1 by 5. Here 2 by 3. So for making equivalent, you have to multiply by the denominator of second one to first one and denominator of first one to second one to make the fraction equivalent. 1 by 5 is the here denominator is 3. So multiply by 3. This is 2 by 3. 1 by 5. Denominator is 5. So multiply by 5. 1 into 3. 3. 5 3s are 15. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 3 by 15. It has 15 denominator. 10 by 15. 15 denominator. So this is a like fraction. So between 3 by 15 and 10 by 15, a lot of fractions are there. 4 by 15 is also there. 5 by 15 is also there. 6 by 15 is also there. 7 by 15, 8 by 15. So this method is known as convert the fraction into equivalent fraction or make the fraction like. Convert into like term. How will you convert? You have to take first fraction and multiply by the denominator of the second fraction. After that, take second fraction and multiply by the denominator of first fraction. When it is converted into like fraction, you have confined a large number of fraction between given two numbers. Okay? Now, I am going to tell you about second method. Second method is known as mean method. You can consider any one fraction as A and second fraction as B. And what is mean of A and B? A plus B by 2, or we can say half A plus B. Both are correct. A plus B by 2 is also right. Half A plus B is also right. Now here let A equal to 1 by 5, B equal to 2 by 3. Put value in the formula. Half, what is A? 1 by 5. What is B? 2 by 3. Now you see children, 1 by 5 and 2 by 3. Both the fractions having different denominator. It is called unlike fraction. And in class 7th you have studied, if we have to add unlike fraction, we have to convert into like fraction by getting LCM. LCM 5 and 3 is 15. After getting LCM, you have to divide by the denominator and multiply by the numerator. LCM is 15. Now 15 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 is coming. Multiply by 1. 3. LCM is 15. 15 divided by 3. Answer is coming 5. 5 5 2 are 10. Now half 3 plus 10 13 to 15 jar 15 into 2 30 13 into 1 13. How will you learn this process? I am going to tell you about one line. अनलाइक टर्म में एलसीएम निकालो, इसी में है भलाई. अनलाइक टर्म में एलसीएम निकालो, इसी में है भलाई. डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करो, न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई. अनलाइक टर्म में एलसीएम निकालो, इसी में है भलाई. डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करो, न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई. तो 15 डिवाइड बाई 5 इज 3, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1 3. 15 डिवाइड बाई 3 5, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 10. नाउ एड बोथ. 3 plus 10 13 and multiply by 2. 13 1 जा 30 and first rational number. Clear? So between 1 by 5 and 2 by 3 is situated this one, this rational number. We can find a lot of rational number by using this formula. After that, you can consider A and B. Suppose A is this, now consider as B. First one A, second one B. Now we have got 13 by 30. 13 by 30 is the rational number between both the numbers. So consider this number as B, or consider this number as B. This one will be A. It is depend on you. So we can find rational numbers of given fraction with the help of two methods. First one is make the fraction equivalent, and second one is mean method. Okay, in next video we will meet again. You can subscribe my video and like it. Thank you.